Hi everyone. Today, myself Sunil Kumar Jaiswal, solution specialist in manufacturing at Capricorn Technology, bring you bring you to our weekly Tech Tuesday on how to convert 3D drawing into orthographic view. Before starting this session, we have some brief information from Capricorn Technology. Capricorn Technology, a Win Zero company and a partner of choice for the AEC industry, is one of the biggest platinum partner of Autodesk and Bentley. Along with authorized training center, we have 300 plus inspired team member. Capricorn is just serving over 20,000 customer in AEC and associated industry. Today agenda, uh, in AutoCAD, I we have created any 3D drawing. So we will not use a 3D model for manufacturing. So we have to create our orthographic view. Without orthographic converting orthographic view, we cannot use as a manufacturing drawing. So this is the main important topic today. I will have to cover. So let's move on AutoCAD screen and so how to convert 3D uh, model to orthographic view. Here, as we can see that I have created a pot in 3D modeling through revolve command. Uh, and how to convert this 3D model into 2D orthographic view? We have to we have to s- select view base. Uh, Select and click on view base from model and enter. Then I have already created layout one. Go to layout two, or firstly we have to delete this and created any 3D object. So I have created a cube and select 3D box, 3D cube, and go to from model space, enter, and this cube front view, then enter. Here is top view. Similarly, mouse drag mouse in right side and click right side. Then show the right view and isometric view. Then click enter. So here we can see that scale 1:5 and uh, 3D box is convert into 2D orthographic view. As per required, we can create a dimension, bill of material. So today my topic is only 3D model convert to 2D orthographic view. So I have covered. For more video and updates, do subscribe our channel Capricorn Technology Private Limited and like and comment if you like the Tech Tuesday video. We would be delighted to hear from you. Please reach out to us for any suggestion, query, or topic you would want to discuss. See you next week. Take care. Bye bye.